show the configuration with our face matching system. And so the first thing that you need to do is get your employees' face biometric data enrolled into the system. So a manager, for example, can oversee this process. They would search for employees by name or by ID number. And to enroll the employee, you just select this. And you can see that it prompts the employee to just turn their head from side to side so that our system can capture a rich biometric profile. We'll update this record, and just like that, I've been enrolled as Carlos Hayes. Let's take a look at what the face matching configuration looks like to employees that want to submit a punch. So basically, the camera would be activated. Again, this can be running in always capture mode, and you can see that very quickly it captured my face image that is submitted to our cloud-based matching system. It identified me and then submitted my punch.